to his first name.
Okay. Why do we call everyone Prabhu?
Yes. I know Das. Right?
Why Prabhu?
Das.
Very good question. So, we never call ourselves Prabhu. Ne, Keshav Prabhu. No, we never call ourselves Prabhu. When we are referring to ourselves, we are Das. Just a second. But when we look at everyone else is Prabhu. See, everyone else is Prabhu because even Krishna sees his devotees as Prabhu, isn't it? Once the sages, they were asking, who is the greatest? So one side said the sky is the greatest. So said, no. The clouds are greater because they cover the sky only. Another sage said, no, the wind is greater because it can move the clouds. Another sage said, no, the mountain is greater because it can stop the wind. Another sage said, no, the earth is greater because it's holding the mountain. Another sage said, no, God is greater because he's holding the earth. And then God appeared and said, my devotee is greater because he's holding me in his heart. Krishna says, Aham Bhakta Paradhino Hashrantami Thaivadija Sadhuve Grashtaridayam. He says, I am not independent. Krishna says, I am under the control of my devotee. They have become my Prabhu, my master, because their love has conquered me. Therefore, the Vaishnavas, the Bhaktas are very dear to Krishna. Therefore, we are very small. Only Das. But you are Prabhu.